Hello, fellow traders. Usually I don't post this only for private subscribers, but I feel something is about to happen. I don't know what, but these direction changes appear out of nowhere. And like you see this gap here, I'm talking about VIX, of course. I chose this instrument because it's very volatile, so it allows me to do um, better trades. At the same time, it's very risky, and I don't recommend for the faint of heart. But if your guts hold you, go for it. Um, if you check my videos, I did make a video around here. I exited here, was short, but still short now. But today might be the case where I change my position, because for some reason this direction change appeared. It was not here yesterday, the day before. I believe either is something related to geopolitical events, but we can see on Friday something is about to happen. Now don't hold me to it because I've been wrong many times, but look, check this out. On the weekly, and I'll show you look at the energy here. Look at the gap it's forming. Gap here, then look at the gap here. If we're breaking this channel, 67 is going up. Of course, we can go into here, but on a daily basis. So be mindful. We need to close 2034 and up. I think if we close above 2071, we're good. We might see a big move, and this is how it start gapping, because it actually elected some tentative reversals, if you know what those means. So we're about to either break this. Let's see on the weekly, Friday. If you go about 26, 27, then we're heading even higher. I don't know what's happening, but what I can tell you is we didn't elect this one. So on the monthly as well. Bear in mind, VIX is very volatile. I mean, you can have 10-20% swings. I remember one day was a 40% swing. So I'm not even counting this spike, which was like 100 or 200%. Be careful and always trade time and price. 11 October is your date. If we don't touch any reversal, it's kind of tricky to get into here because it's much of a risk of going down. But you can also check stochastics on the weekly and the daily. It looks like technically we're going down. Like that's the analysis, but let's see today's close and tomorrow's close. I feel like something is about to happen, don't know what. Alright, good luck, and remember, this is the only time I'm offering it for free, just because it's not my data. It's actually an AI database, and it's not mine. So thank you guys for listening.